Hey everyone, and welcome to QuickHow, the place where we explore how small actions can make a huge difference in your life. Today, we're diving into something truly special: how to bring that smile back to your dad's face. Life gets so busy, doesn't it? And sometimes, we forget just how much that simple, happy smile from our dad really means to us. So, let's start with step 1. Spend time, not just words. Look, your dad probably doesn't need another expensive gadget or a fancy gift. What he truly craves is your time. Just imagine sitting down beside him for a few minutes, no distractions, and asking, "Hey Dad, how was your day?" That one simple question can mean more to him than you could ever imagine. He might not always say it out loud, but trust me, he misses you more than you know. Next up, step 2. Appreciate him for all the little things. Dads are often the silent heroes in our lives. They're the ones paying the bills, fixing that leaky faucet, or offering advice when we're lost. They don't do it for applause or recognition, but a simple, heartfelt thanks, Dad, I really appreciate you, can completely light up his entire day. Because at the end of it all, every father just wants to feel like he's doing enough for his family. Now for step 3, surprise him with a small, thoughtful gesture. It really doesn't have to be anything grand or expensive. It could be as simple as making him his favorite cup of tea, just the way he likes it, tidying up his workspace without being asked, or even leaving a small handwritten note on his desk that says, "You're my hero, Dad." These tiny gestures carry immense emotional power, and that's how you make him smile right from the heart. This leads us to step 4. Listen when he talks. Fathers don't always open up easily. They often carry their worries quietly. But when they do decide to share what's on their mind, it's a precious moment. Put your phone away for a little while. Just look at him, give him your full attention, and let him finish what he needs to say. That quiet, focused attention sends a powerful message. You still matter to me, and believe me, that is one of the greatest gifts you can ever give him. And finally, step 5, which is both the simplest and the most powerful. Tell him you love him. It's just 3 little words, but they hold so much weight. Just say, "Dad, I love you." Don't wait for a special occasion or the perfect moment. Say it today, because sometimes we wait so long for the right time that we forget the right time is right now. So, to recap, if you want to make your dad smile again, spend quality time with him, appreciate the small things he does, surprise him with a kind gesture, listen with your whole heart, and don't forget to tell him you love him. Because no matter how old you get, you will always be your dad's little kid. This is QuickHow, reminding you that it only takes a few kind moments to bring a lifetime of smiles. If this video touched your heart, please give it a like, subscribe to our channel, and share it with someone else who loves their dad just as much. Thanks for watching.